All right, question 3, very similar to question 2. That one is building off the previous question, so building off question 2. But now we're going to find the average MSRP by product line. Again, I'm doing this on a different table even, but I'm showing you the syntax on how to do this, so you'll be able to apply it to your logic from question 2. So I'm going to take the table that I just used, or the query that I just ran. I'm going to bring order number in just so I can look at it. And I'm not going to select distinct. I'm going to get rid of my select distinct because I'm not looking for a distinct list here. I'm looking for an average. So what I want to do is get rid of that distinct, and this is going to give me, I want to keep this logic in this math logic though, because we still are only looking at the products with 5,000 or more items. So what we need to do is look at slide 11, I believe. Yeah, slide 11, find the average price. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be manifesting an attribute. So you take an attribute that already exists in the table, and you can see here we're doing a mathematic function to it and then calling it as average price. So we get to name this attribute whatever we want. So we're actually going to do that. And I want to find the average of order number. In the assignment, you'd be finding the average of the MSRP attribute. But here, we're going to be doing order number. So I'm going to do average. And then we're going to name it as average order. And let's run this and see what we get. We should get either a single row or a repeating number here. And we get a single row, and that gives us the average order price when it's greater than 10320. It gives us this average order price of, or order number of 10373. So that's how you'd find the average. And let's just, for fun, let's see how this changes if we comment out this where. This is not part of the assignment, but just to explore what happens. What do you think will happen? Well, we're getting rid of this greater than filter. So the average should decrease a little bit. We'll see if it does that. 10,373. It goes to 10,262. So kind of demonstrating how that's working. But this is what you'd want to do, and this is question 3. Provide just the number. So I don't need the code. I just need the number.